Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. 3-in-1 wireless charger for my iPhone. Yep, this one right here will charge your AirPod, which is the one that I have is the AirPod Pro with Magsafe, Apple Watch, and then also my iPhone 13 Pro Max is what I have. So I'm gonna use this today and test it out. So let's take a look. So if you guys are looking at this, you're probably thinking about the Apple Magsafe one, the Apple 3-in-1 that they have out there, which is fairly pricey. Anyway, this is the alternative to it. So does it work as well? See, to me, I avoid the Apple's products because I think that you can get an alternative that works just as well. That's how I feel about it. So, but that's just me. Anyway, let's take a look at this and see if it's a good alternative to that. Does come with a adapter, which is nice. Not a lot of them do anymore. USB-C, obviously, because you want to fast charge this thing. And here you have it. Obviously, it's foldable. Oh, very nice rim right there. Shiny, looks good. And same thing on the AirPod side. Got the nice rim right there. This right here is the watch charger, which I believe you can tap. There we go. It can stand up. So you can charge your watch standing up, you know, like a nightstand mode. Looks like there's some LED right there. USB-C goes in there. So what I saw on the box was that you can actually have this set a few different ways. There we go. So look, this is pretty interesting right here, right? You can charge it this way, but if you don't need to use your watch, you can go this way. Which is funky, huh? Very interesting right there. Okay, what do you say we plug this thing in and let's test it, huh? Okay, when I plug it in, this does light up. There's 3 lights right here that lit up, but then now it's gone. So I'm assuming that when I drop this thing on there, this light turns on, tells me that it's charging. And then there's AirPod Pro, which this is a Magsafe, by the way. So that lights up now, that's charging. Watch, let's go ahead and drop the watch in there. I can actually lay the watch flat like this if I want to. And there we have it, it's charging. So the good part about all of this is that I don't have to provide my own the watch charger in order to make this work. I have some other 3-in-1 charger, and you have to provide your own watch charger, which is kind of weird to me, you know. Anyway, yeah, this works just fine. Charging all 3 units right there. And if I want to sit this up, I can do that as well. And now you have yourself something that looks like this. Now let's do some other tests here. I have me just a regular like wireless headphones right here that has wireless charging on the back of it. So let's see if I can charge this. So if I put this on here, yep, it does charge it. It turns it on, and actually this battery indicator actually turns on to tell me that, hey, it's charging. So it will charge not just your AirPod, but other things as well. Let's say if you have like a Samsung phone or something like that that has wireless charging, you can use these pads to charge it as well. So let's say if I were to put it like this, because these are Magsafe, I can actually use it like that. So my AirPods would just sit in that way. And now let's give this one a try. Yeah, so my iPhone and Apple AirPods does work, and it sticks on there. Like I mentioned earlier though, my phone is a bit big for it to go vertical like this, but if you go horizontal, I think it's gonna look just fine. I believe this mode right here is mainly to use for in horizontal mode, so that you can kind of watch a movie while you are charging. So yeah, I don't think it's made so that you can go vertical in this way, okay? But you can if you want to. It's just gonna have a little gap if you're not bothered by it. Okay, so let's take a look at how this thing folds right here. Pretty interesting because I actually can fold it in this way. See that? So now it's just that right there. I can just use it as a regular AirPod Pro charger. Now I can flip this. I mean, both sides are MagSafe, so you can charge your phone or your AirPod Pros just fine. You can use it to charge other products, and it will charge it just fine too. And then it looks like I can literally like close this entire thing. So now both sides are just closed off. This is, I'm guessing, to me, this is travel mode right here, where you just take it like this and travel with it. This travel mode is interesting right here because now it's covered and it's not touching anything that is internal. I like the look of it too. This piece right here, that's where all the wiring is stitched together. I can feel the wire in there. Is very nice. It's like a cloth / leather fabric. I don't know what it's called, but very interesting. Really like this. It's a good alternative to the very, very expensive Apple product. Anyhow, guys, that's it right there. That's the 3-in-1 wireless charger. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.